Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video. And today I want to talk about something I've been thinking about for a little while. And today's message is about, taking off work to get to work. That's the title of the video. How to take off work to get to work. Now, I say that because we all work, most people work a 9 to 5 or work 40-hour weeks. We have a job and some have kids, some don't, some have spouses, they don't. And, when we had our son, he's like 5 months now, going on 6, it's all in the routine. It's not just me and her no more. I can go out and when I come home, do as I please. Now it's come home, she'll pick him up from daycare. I'll be home, getting dinner started or cleaning up or doing dishes or something productive for the home. They'll come home maybe an hour later, 45 minutes later, and I might spend a little time with him. Our son might go to sleep for an hour, and with that hour, we're cooking, we're trying to watch a little TV or spend a little time together before he wakes up. So when he wakes up, we have to feed him, and you have to play with him, spend time with him for a couple of hours, and get him bath, and before you know it, it's time to go to bed and do it all over again the next day. So I know how hard it is to do something out of your job that you're trying to do. You're trying to start some kind of business or online business or anything you're trying to do outside your job. It gets harder with kids. It gets harder we have a family at home. It's just super hard. So sometimes you just have to take off from work to get to work. What I mean is, it's right now I'm recording this video, it's February, and take you 2-3 days off from work. 9 times out of 10, if you have kids, they're in school or daycare. If you live with someone, they're mostly, they're pretty much at work when you're at work. And it take you a couple of days off from work so you can work on your business, because in the long term, you don't want to do this job forever. You want to build something that can replace your income. For example, if you want to do a YouTube channel and you want this YouTube channel to make enough money when you quit your job. So your job wouldn't be your priority. Your priority would be your YouTube channel. So I will put as much time as I can. I'll put my paid time off, my sick time, whatever, towards this goal, because once I reach this goal, I made it. I can, pretty much, quit the job and do YouTube full time. So sometimes we have to take a break, and life hits you hard. Stuff breaks down, cars break down, AC unit goes out, your heat goes out, AC unit goes out, you get this fixed at the house, and stuff happens. You gotta take care of these things when they happen. But when you're at a time where everything is running good, you're in a good schedule, you pick your kids up or kids come from school, and then you have a schedule that's, it's kind of the same, everything's going good. That's the time you'll take, you work Monday to Friday, take your Friday off. What I do is try to take it like a half a day Thursday, and I take off Friday. So, with the half a day, my son would be in daycare. So I have that, and my wife be at work. So I have all that time to do what I need to do for the business, create a video, write a blog post, whatever. And then on a Friday, I would keep him, so he won't go to daycare that day. I'll keep him, and I'll work around him. So he doesn't be up all day. He'll take couple 2-hour naps, and that's when I really write content. That's why I really shoot my videos when he sleep, and I could do it at a good rate. So number one tip is have your to-do list. If you take off a day, if you take a Friday off, even a Monday off, have your to-do list. So once everyone's gone and once you have that time to yourself, there's nothing to do. You know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna do this video, I'm gonna do that video, or I'm gonna do this, that, and the third. So have a plan written out. Number 2, know everyone's schedule. If your kids drive you crazy and your kids are taking most of your time and your spouse taking your time, make sure that when you request time off, they're not there. That way you can dedicate your time to doing your online business and whatever you're trying to build. So just take time out, take time off work to get to work. So sometimes, the lack of not having time should not be an excuse. We take days off for our pleasure. So take days off to work on your business. And then you don't have to do the business all day. If you work an 8-hour shift, you can just do it for 5 hours and you can chill 3 hours. If you want to. You don't gotta do it all day. But you have to do something, build something in your free time. It's that simple. You have to do it. Now, if you're single, it's much easier because you come home, you empty nest, nobody's home. You can do whatever you want to do. Even if you don't have kids right now, if you don't have kids, or you have kids on the way, you need to start doing something when you get home. You have plenty of time because those kids taking your time, just your spouse. Just do something at home when you get home. So I wish I'd done this earlier in my life, but I didn't. I didn't take things seriously. Now I'm older now. I live older now. I take things seriously now. But to wrap this video up, just take a couple of days off of work. This is a new year. I'm pretty sure you get some paid time off now. Your time, your money brand new. Take you a day. Take you a Friday because you're off Saturday, Sunday. Or if you're out Wednesday, Thursday, take off Friday. You have 3 days off. Take a day off that connects to the other days off you have. Plan it out. Make sure, okay, so-and-so's not going to be there. My kid's not going to drive me crazy. They're not going to be there. I had to get them at 3:30. So I get up at 8 o'clock, take it to the bus. I get home about 8:30, 8:35. I can start creating videos then. Create your to-do list. Have everything planned out. I'm going to do this video here. I'm going to do that video. I'm going to do this video. The thumbnails already pre-made. Have everything ready for yourself. So take time off. Take time off to get to work. To get to work. Because in the long term, you want your business to outgrow your job. That way you can do your business more than your job. So if the business is what you truly want to do full time, put your time into it now. Put your time into it now. Start hustling now. Take a couple of days off. Take you a half a day. You got time? Take you a half a day. Take a half a day. You have 4 hours to yourself to get things done. When you get home, hit the road. People start calling you, hey, I call you back when I'm free. I call you back later. I get this done now. I can't keep waiting. And that's a problem I had. People call or something come up. I kind of, I have to do this first. Once this part is done, then I'll come talk to you. TyFitAskKing.com. Hope you like the message. And anytime I learn something new that will benefit me in my online business, I always try to share it because maybe you didn't think about it. If I thought about this years ago, I've been better off. So I try to give people good knowledge. Say, hey, take you a day off. Hey, start your blog. Hey, start your YouTube channel now. Every time I come across something, I make sure to share it with other people, share it on YouTube, share on my blog, because maybe, I do got a whole lot of time. I could take 2 days off and I could get all this stuff done. So if you plan on taking time off, make sure you have a to-do list. You have a list of things you want to do so you don't wasting time, because it's so easy to get Netflix, YouTube, Facebook. It's so easy to get distracted. Have a to-do list. I'm going to do all 5 videos a day. Create the thumbnails, and I'm going to share it on Facebook. That's my goal for today. TyFitAskKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.